Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stating the problem and the metric you will optimize. This clarifies trade-offs. Next, gather representative labeled data and split it now so you avoid leakage. Once done, create an isolated environment with required libraries and drivers. Make sure versions are pinned. Then run quick exploratory analysis to surface class imbalance, missing values, and obvious outliers. This guides the first simple baseline model you will implement to measure progress against. You now transform data with consistent preprocessing and feature engineering, handle categorical variables, scale numeric features, and create meaningful derived features. Then train multiple model families to compare strengths, a robust baseline, tree ensembles, and a neural variant if warranted. Once training runs, validate with cross-validation and a fixed holdout set to estimate generalization. Make sure to log metrics, outputs, and random seeds. This lets you iterate and compare reliably, while you finalize by packaging the model with a clear input schema and version artifact. Include preprocessing code so inference matches training. Then deploy using the appropriate pattern, container for real-time, serverless for scale, or batch for offline scoring, and add health checks and metrics collection. After deployment, set up monitoring for data drift, performance decay, and latency. Schedule retraining and create a rollback plan. If results are worse in production, check data schema mismatches first. This is the single most common issue to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.